guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla if this is your first time here. So in today's video, we are reviewing the brand new Kris Cosmetics collaboration. So Kris Jenner took over Kylie Cosmetics Instagram account, renamed it Kris Cosmetics. She's acting like the boss, and I'm here for it, okay? When I first saw the collab, I just thought the packaging was super cute. Let me show you the PR package here. Like, look at this. She crossed out Kylie and put Kris. I just love it. I just love the whole, like, diva mentality, diva momager mentality. Here's the PR package. I think it's super cute. I think it's dope, actually. So the collection comes with a lipstick, a lip liner, a lip collection, a highlighting palette, and an eyeshadow palette. Okay, it's a whole collection, y'all. She said, you know what? I'm your momager, and I deserve a collection too. So this comes out on Mother's Day, which, I mean, I just think the whole concept of having a collab with her mom and it dropping on Mother's Day is genius. The highlighter palette says, look at this, it says, you're doing amazing, sweetie. This is mainly like a peach kind of highlight palette. It has one blush actually, so highlight and blush palette. It comes with a mirror. The colors, we gonna try it, okay? I'm not gonna say anything. We're gonna try them out. All right, what else do we have here? We have an eyeshadow palette with a little Kris emoji. It says 10%. I don't know if that's like 10% tint. I don't know what that means. Maybe it's a Kardashian joke, I don't know. Or a Jenner joke, I don't know, but it's cute regardless. On the inside of the palette, it says, I have one word for tonight, vodka. Like that's, I don't know, I just think, I'm just here for this, the vibe of this. It's dope, it's bossy, you know what I mean? So the palette is more of a gray toned eyeshadow palette. So when I first saw it, I was like, these matte colors are a no-go, okay? This is not the color, I don't like, they couldn't have threw in a warm, you know, that's my first impression just looking at it. The frosty colors, yes, I can wear those. But like the neutral matte colors, I'm like, eh. So we're gonna try it out in this review. Don't worry, we gonna see, okay? We gonna see. The Momager lip collection comes with 3 lip glosses and 5 liquid lipsticks. They're all mini size, and I will of course try these on too. We're gonna have a little swatch, should I call it a swatch party? At the end of the video so you can see every single lipstick color on me, but you know, bossy. This is very boss. I don't know why this is so funny, but I just think the packaging of this with the little middle finger, I don't know why it's so funny to me, but I am here for it, okay? Okay, I am all the way here for this. I know I've said that a few times, but this whole collection is just like giving me the vibes, like the diva, boss, HBIC type of vibes. So in this video, I'm gonna try on every single product, the whole collection, and you guys will see my first impressions, and then at the end of the video, I'll let you know what I liked and what I disliked. So if you wanna see if I approve, continue to watch. You guys know the drill. I prep my skin with the ColourPop concealer, and we are about to beat this face. So typically, I wouldn't use any of these in the crease. I like a little bit of warmth, you know, it needs to kind of complement my skin tone, but we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna keep a open mind. I'm gonna try Payback Sub B. I wonder why they didn't put a mirror up in here. I mean, I love how there's like a quote from her. It's super cute, but I'm always curious about that. This is like low-key 90s vibes. Remember when everyone used to wear like gray shadow? I will say this, the eyeshadow went on a little bit darker than it looks, and yeah, I can work with this. I can work with it. The names of these colors are so funny. Okay, next I'm gonna put I'm Watching You in the outer corner of the crease, and I switched to a smaller blending brush because this color looks like it could be dramatic. I'm not really blending, I'm just kind of pressing and packing the shadow on because I don't want it to fall on my face. So I'm first gonna just press it on and then blend it out. Now I'm gonna go in with Does It Come in Black, and I'm gonna put a little bit of this on the outer kind of V of the crease and the lid. Black can be a little scary sometimes, which is why I'm only using a little bit because I am not trying to have fallout. Okay. I'm gonna cut the crease with ColourPop number 28 concealer. That crease looks too plain, you need to cut it. Next I'm gonna apply, what should we do? Talent and Gorgeous actually look a lot alike in the pan, but on the finger, this one is a little bit on the finger. I like swatch with my finger, you guys know what I'm talking about? Talent is a little bit darker, so I'm gonna apply Talent all over the lid. I definitely feel like there's a little bit more pigment in the matte shadows, but this is pretty. It's like a soft gray. I know the outer corner here is looking a little crazy, but we're gonna fix it. We gonna fix it. I'm gonna add a little bit of Haters just to brighten up the inside of the eye. Ooh. This color is actually an iridescent shade. You can see it's pulling kind of like a goldy silver. I like it. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the black eyeshadow on the outer corner here because see how it's a little season 1. See that? Season 1. So we're gonna blend it out a little bit. I just put a little bit of black on the brush. I'm gonna line the top and bottom lash line with my shady eyeliner from Dose of Colors. See, this is why Kris is the momager, because she low-key be knowing. I'm gonna set the bottom liner with Does It Come in Black eyeshadow. I always set it first and then smudge it out with a pencil brush. I'm actually really liking this eyeshadow look. Like, I wasn't sure because of all the gray tones, but I like it. Remember, I told y'all like 4 videos back, I was like, smoky eyes are back. Y'all didn't believe me. I'm gonna throw on some of my Lily lashes in Lila. All right, in the Kris highlighter collection, you're doing amazing, sweetie. That's so cute. It comes with 3 highlighters and 1 blush. This, we're gonna try it because I've already been a little surprised, so we gonna see. I kind of want to put all the highlighters on to really show you guys, so maybe we might just do that. All right, I'm gonna start with It's Snowing Pussy Willows. I don't even know what that means. That's funny though. I'm gonna put a little bit of this with my finger on my nose. Ooh, it's silver. Okay, I can work with her. Okay, Money Doesn't Grow on Trees. I'm gonna apply on my cheeks. Ooh, it's silver. Okay, I might not be matching highlights, but at least we're gonna see what they look like. This is workable. A little like silvery, but not too shabby. I Raised You on Mac and Cheese. I'm gonna put this on the other side. Okay, yeah, that's it. This is the one. This is the one. And you guys know I like to layer my highlights, so I actually would put this on first and then Money Doesn't Grow on Trees on top of it. Because, you know, mix and match them. This is Money Doesn't Grow on Trees. It's like a peachy highlight. It's really pretty. What's going on with my hair? Like, I had a headband on and my edges are just... It's one of those days. One of those days, but listen, at least I have edges, right? Right? Gotta look at the positive, you know? All right, I'm gonna use my angled brush and apply Your Sister's Going to Jail, this light peachy color on my cheeks, just to see. Yep, as I suspected. Doesn't really show up. I wish that this was separate. I feel like even this one's not too bad, but this half is a yes, and then this half I probably wouldn't use, honestly. Kris came out with 8 lip colors in the lip collection and 1 individual lipstick. So guess what? We're gonna try everything on. And I think I'm gonna start with the lip collection. So let's we gotta take the hair down. We gotta get a little cute up in here. Lipstick overload in 3, 2, 1. Is anyone else a little shook with those lip colors? I was like, hands down, my favorite thing in the collection are the lipsticks, or the lip set, I would say. It's cute. All right, so I'm gonna finish off the little lip swatch with, what's the name of this? I feel like this is gonna be too light. Give Me a Kiss lip liner and Give Me a Kiss lipstick. Oh yeah, this is a little light. I'm gonna put a little bit of my BFF3 because I already know like I'm not gonna be able to determine if I like the lipstick without like a neutral or a darker lip liner. All right, this is Give Me a Kiss lipstick. Ooh. Ooh, this is cute. This is really cute, okay? Ooh, okay, I'm gonna put one of these lip glosses that I already tried on top of it. I don't wanna do like the nude. Yes, we're gonna do Really. I think it's supposed to be like Really. This is more of a nude lip gloss. The other 2 glosses are kind of on the pinker side. And with my eyes being like gray and smoky, I want that nude look. Okay, Kris Cosmetics. I have to say that I am pleasantly surprised with this collection with Kris Cosmetics, and she really did that. Like, the lipsticks are by far my favorite, the lipsticks and the gloss. And I'm just gonna say it. Okay, I'm gonna say it. This is my favorite Kylie collab. I said it, boom, it's done. Thank you guys so much for watching my review. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm a little shook by it because I pretty much liked everything except for a few of the highlighters. If your mom is a fan of Kris Jenner, or even if you just like makeup, you're probably gonna enjoy this. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know your thoughts on the collaboration. And last but not least, strut and slay. 3+. Wait, there's 8. Is it 8? How many? This lipstick is freaking bomb. Okay, listen. The Momager lip color. These colors. I don't know about that. Smoker. My hair is, listen, this unit is about to get cut off. I like it like that. Like, I want to complain about my edges, but then I'm like, at least I got them. Shoot. There's a lot going on with the red, the black, the gray, the gray, the gray, the black, the red.